2026 is set to be a groundbreaking year for travel. With the World Cup in North America, the Winter Olympics in Italy, and the USA celebrating its 250th birthday, it's the perfect time to plan your dream vacation. But why is 2026 so special? Let's dive into the possibilities. Sunrestfund.com offers unique travel opportunities that you won't find anywhere else. From exclusive deals, great cruise ideas, and fun family adventures in Disney or Universal theme parks, we have it all. Early planning ensures you get the best experiences and avoid the rush. Deciding between a family trip, romantic getaway, or solo adventure can be tough. Each offers unique benefits and experiences. Consider what you value most in a trip to make the best choice. Fun is in our name, so consider that a factor in whatever you decide. Sunrestfund.com tailors trips to your needs, ensuring a personalized experience. Whether it's adventure, relaxation, or cultural exploration, they have options to suit every traveler. Budgeting for your 2026 trip is crucial. Start by setting a realistic budget and explore various options for transportation and accommodation. Sunrestfund.com simplifies this process, offering packages that fit different budgets. We are special needs certified, which is unique in the travel industry, and we handle mobility equipment, rentals, and verify whether hotels, resorts, and tours meet the ADA requirements for accessibility. Understanding travel logistics can be daunting. From flights to hotels, let us handle the details, ensuring a smooth and stress-free planning experience. We will work with you, crafting the best vacation with the best and most flexible options. Focus on enjoying your journey, not the logistics. With sunrestfund.com, our motto is plan less, see more. Make your 2026 trip unforgettable with unique experiences. Sunrestfund.com offers exclusive offers and experiences that add a wow factor to your journey. Whether it's that backpacking trip in the Grand Canyon, snorkeling in the beautiful waters of the Bahamas, or strolling along in a quiet park in a Lisbon suburb, we are with you all the way. Create lasting memories with our curated adventures. Ready to start planning your 2026 adventure? Visit sunrestfund.com today and explore the endless possibilities. By taking action now, you'll ensure a memorable and well-organized trip. Let's make 2026 your best travel year yet!